Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Snapchat. First, you'll want to establish a strong presence by creating a dedicated business profile. This is crucial for showcasing your brand professionally. Next, seamlessly integrate your existing product catalog directly into your Snapchat profile, making it easy for potential customers to browse. Finally, captivate your audience with interactive augmented reality lenses, allowing them to virtually try on your products before making a purchase. This enhances the shopping experience significantly. To effectively engage your audience, start by incorporating shoppable stickers directly into your snaps and stories. These interactive elements allow users to tap and buy instantly, streamlining the purchasing process. Furthermore, launch highly targeted advertising campaigns, leveraging Snapchat's robust demographic data to reach the most relevant potential customers. Consider partnering with popular Snapchat influencers to amplify your message and extend your brand's reach to new, engaged audiences. To drive sales and boost conversions, offer exclusive discounts and special promotions specifically for your Snapchat audience. This creates a sense of urgency and value. Ensure every piece of content includes a clear, compelling call to action, guiding users directly to your products. Finally, implement the Snap Pixel on your website to meticulously track user behavior and conversion rates. This valuable data allows you to continuously refine and optimize your advertising campaigns for maximum effectiveness. For sustained growth, it's essential to regularly analyze your performance. Monitor key metrics such as your content's reach, user engagement levels, and, most importantly, your sales figures. Conduct a /B tests on various ad creatives and targeting strategies to identify what resonates best with your audience. Continuously adapt your overall Snapchat selling strategy based on these valuable performance insights, ensuring you are always optimizing for better results and a stronger return on investment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.